Hello, I'm Siddhartha Sareen and today we will talk about REVA CL18, REVA University Common Law Aptitude Test. REVA University conducts REVA University Common Law Aptitude Test in order to provide admission to students in undergraduate law programs offered by the varsity. REVA University that offers BA LLB and BBA LLB law programs. And if we will talk about application fee for Indian or SARC candidates, it's Rs 1000. For NRI candidate, it is Rs 2000. Hi, I'm Siddhartha Sareen and we at Youth for Work have been conducting this session on REVA CLAT eligibility criteria. Candidates should be maximum of 20 years of age, 22 years for SC, ST, OBC candidates at the time of REVA admissions. The candidate must have passed 12th class in any stream from a recognized board with at least 45% marks for general candidates and 40% marks for SC, ST candidates. Now let's talk about the exam pattern. The exam will be online mode and the test will be of 100 marks. The exam will have 100 multiple choice type questions. The total duration of the exam will be 120 minutes. There is no negative marking in this exam. Number of sections are logical reasoning and aptitude for 25 marks, legal aptitude for 25 marks, English for 25 marks and general knowledge for 25 marks. Hi, I'm Siddhartha Sareen and now we will discuss a few tips and tricks of REVA CLAT exam. There is no negative marking, so try to attempt all the questions. You need to finish 4 sections of REVA CLAT exam within 120 minutes, which means you need speed with accuracy in order to attempt 100 questions in total. The more you practice, the better chances you have of acing this exam. Before starting the preparations, make sure to go through the pattern of exam and syllabus thoroughly. Take online mock tests so that your confidence can increase and you can manage time according to it. I would recommend our Youth for Work's Prep Guru application as it is really easy to use. So if you value the content of our video and find it relevant, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.